How to save one-time photo in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see if we can save one-time photo in WhatsApp or not. So without any further ado, let's get started. Saving view one's photos on WhatsApp is intentionally challenging as the feature is designed for privacy, which is allowing photos and videos to be viewed only once without leaving a trace. So there is not any direct method to save the one-time photo in WhatsApp. However, there are indirect methods to save such photos, though they may not align with WhatsApp terms of services. So some possible way is to use a secondary device. Before opening the view one's photo or video, you can use another phone or camera to record or take a picture of the content while it's displayed on your screen. Now the second workaround method is screen recording tool. The WhatsApp blocks in-app screenshots or recordings using an external screen recorder. If supported on your device before opening the media might help. This may work inconsistently depending upon your OS version and app updates. But remember, these methods could violate WhatsApp terms of service, potentially leading to account suspicion. So you always have to respect the sender's intent and privacy when dealing with view one's media. If the content is critical, it's best to request the sender to share it in a non-ephemeral format or in the format where you can save the picture. So I hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.